Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we will see how to publish a file. But before publishing a file, I will let you know few things which you need to do before you publish a file. So first of all, what is happening? I created this Power BI file during the training, and you see none of my pages is having some kind of stuff which I should be publishing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a report out here, and once that is ready, and then I'll publish it. One more thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this. So like if you see these measures which are there, they are not in the measure table. So what I can do is I can click on a measure and move it on the correct table. But this will take a lot of time for me to move them. So what we can do here is we can go here, find out our measures like I have found out these. And then there is one way that I drag them and put them now, because the other table is pretty far away. It's not possible for me to drag them easily. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change this table and they will move into that particular table. Okay, so now if I go to the date table and I see I don't have any measures. So let me do one thing. I will quickly create a dashboard out here, and once the dashboard is ready, then I'm going to tell you the next steps. So let's start. So I have prepared my dashboard, and you can see this is the first page. There could be much more pages. Now for the demo purpose I've created one page, and what I need to do is unnecessary pages whichever I don't want to publish, either I can hide them or I can delete them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete a couple of them and I'm going to hide one of them just to showcase you how does it happen. So I just right click and hide it one of them, and let me delete this now. Okay. Other than that, what we should also do while publishing, we should also see if there are certain measures which are not in use, and there are columns which were like location ID. Do I really want to use from geography? So if I don't want to use, or let's say go to our sales table. In our sales table, we might have primary keys like item ID. I don't want item ID to be taken from here. So I can just go and hide it. Similarly, I don't want to have location ID or gender ID. All these I don't want to showcase to the end user. So I can actually hide all of these. So clean up, then move the measures into the measure table, and also clean up. If there are some unnecessary table, remove them. So we have another one. We are also going to hide them. So once you are done with all these preparation, is the next step is to publish it. But before, and there is a home page, there is on the home tab there is a option to publish it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Power BI app, which is also known as Power BI service, and I'm going to create a new workspace. By default you have this my workspace, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to have a new workspace. So I can click here on the workspaces. I already logged in into this one, so I'll click on create new workspace, and I'm going to give it name tutorial. Okay, tutorials, and I'm going to give the same description. There are advanced properties, but right now I'm not going to explore. Okay, so I'm leaving it to everyone and all those. Okay, save. Fine, so we have tutorials out here. We go back to our file. Now this is hidden, this is the first page, and whatever page you want to be displayed on the first time, you should show that there is no unnecessary stuff. I see right now all the tables are required one only. So I'm going to click on publish, and it will ask me, do you want to save the changes? I say yes. If I have unsaved changes, that's why it is asking, and now it is working on that. Now it should open up a window to ask me what are the workspaces I wanted to choose. So now it is showing me the workspaces, and I've created this new one. I'll select this and I'll click on select, and then it is going to show me publishing this tutorial file. And then once it is published, then we will go to the Power BI service and check it out. So I can see the map, the publishing to Power BI is successful, and then I can go ahead and check that out, and I can click on this as okay and got it. That's what we have option. Now I can go to my Power BI service, and in the Power BI service I can go to home. Sometime if there is a newer content, it do add here, like tutorials, it has workspace it is showing, or I can go from here to the tutorial workspace. Anywhere I can click and I can go. Now, if you are on the latest version of Power BI, you will do see some options on the home page, creation of a new report, which is also available now in Power BI service. Previously, this option was not there. So we can actually check it out later, that can we create a report using this particular Power BI data set which we have published. Now we can open this report here, the published report, and I have options to share it. So if I want to embed or publish to web, I have these options, and I can say share report, and I can actually grant access to my team members. I am in a pro, so I have team members which I can assign access to. Fine. So right now it has access to access only. I have the access, but I can type the email IDs of my pro users and can assign that report to those guys. Now, other things which I can do is I can export this to PowerPoint, PDF, and analyze in Excel, explore these options out. Then I can, chat in Teams. I can open the Teams. And the one more option which we should be looking at is edit. I'm going to click on edit, and you will see this is very familiar what you have seen there. So let's say if I want to convert this into a matrix table, so I can do it. Okay, so now it is matrix, it's row and values which we are getting. I can make it, let's say, from shape map. I can want to turn it into, let's say, simple map, so I can do that. So all these changes I can do, or I can change this one from this to this. Okay, so all these changes I can do, and then I can actually save this or duplicate. So I'll save these. So these changes are saved. Okay, but these changes are, you have to remember that these changes are not available in your PBIX file. So you can actually download PBIX as a copy. There is an option in file menu. So you have save as, publish to web, export to PowerPoint, export to PDF, embed option, which is kind of publish option, and download and as a PBIX. So now these options are all control options. You have to check out the latest options which has been given in Power BI service. As an admin, these options can be controlled. Now I can go back to the reading mode. Okay, so these are various few things which you can do around publish. Do go ahead and try these things out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this series. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. Thank you.